Hello everyone, now I will present my paper titled Analysis of the Factors Influencing Consumers' Intention to Purchase Green Food. Next is the abstract, which gives a snapshot of the whole study. This study adopts the SOR framework to investigate factors influencing green purchase intention in the food industry. Green advocacy, environmental attitude, product attributes, and social media influence are identified as external stimuli, with customer perceived value as the internal psychological mechanism. Based on 371 value survey responses, SPSS 27.0 and AMOS 28.0 were used for empirical analysis. The findings reveal that all four external factors significantly enhance customer perceived value, which in turn positively influences green purchase intention. Mediation analysis indicates that customer perceived value partially mitigates the effect of green advocacy and product attributes, and fully mitigates the effects of environmental attitude and social media influence. These results underscore the critical role of customer perceived value in encouraging sustainable consumer behavior and offer practical guidance for green marketing strategies in the food industry. Rising demand for safety and sustainability. With frequent food safety issues, Chinese consumers increasingly value health, safety, and eco-friendly food choices. Emergence of green consumption trend. Green consumption is growing across society. Consumers seek eco-friendly products, companies adopt green production, and governments implement supportive policies. Main challenge: awareness and purchase intention gap. A key barrier to green food growth is the lack of consumer awareness and intention to purchase green food. Police response. China implements green food certification and eco-labeling policies to regulate food production, reduce chemical inputs, and align with national sustainable development strategies. Let's move to the problem statement. 1. Consumers' environmental awareness is increasing, but green food purchase intention remains insufficient, showing a calculation intention gap. 2. Existing studies mostly focus on the direct effects of single factors, lacking systematic integration and exploration of psychological mechanisms. 3. Research on how green advocacy, environmental attitude, product attributes, and social media influence green purchase intention through customer perceived value is still insufficient. 4. Customer perceived value is often treated as an outcome variable, and its mediating role has not been adequately emphasized. Related model structures need improvement. This study explores factors influencing consumers' green food purchase intention, focusing on green advocacy, environmental attitude, product attributes, and social media influence, while examining the mediating role of customer perceived value. 1. Identify the effect of green advocacy on customer perceived value. 2. Analyze the influence of environmental attitude on customer perceived value. 3. Investigate the impact of product attributes on customer perceived value. 4. Examine the role of social media influence on customer perceived value. 5. Study the effect of customer perceived value on green purchase intention. 6. Verify the mediating role of customer perceived value. The research model and hypotheses presented below were developed based on a thorough review of existing literature. Questionnaire design. 1. Bilingual questionnaire, Chinese and English to ensure clarity. 2. Two-part structure, demographics and research variables. 3. Constructs measured by 4 items each, using a 7-point Likert scale. 4. Measurement items are adapted from validated scales and localized to fit the green food consumption context in China. Data collection. 1. Questionnaire survey designed and distributed via Wenjuanxin. 2. Simple. 371 Chinese consumers with green food knowledge or consumption experience. 3. Convenience simply to expand sample diversity. 4. Distribute via social media platforms, WeChat, QQ, Weibo. Then I will introduce the steps of preliminary data processing and statistical analysis. 1. Data screening. Remove blanks, illogical responses, and abnormal response times. 2. Descriptive analysis. Summarize some characteristics. 3. Reliability analysis. Test scale consistency and reliability. 4. Validity analysis. Test scale structure and validity. 5. Correlation analysis. Examine linear relationship between variables. 6. Multi-collinearity diagnostics. Detect multi-collinearity issues. 7. Regression and mediation effect tests. Test 6 hypotheses. using regression analysis and examination effects with Bootstrap. Now, in this section, we will discuss the empirical results from our statistical analysis. Descriptive analysis. The sample's mean demographic characteristics show a nearly balanced gender distribution with slightly more males. The largest age group is 18 to 30 years old. Most respondents hold an undergraduate degree. The majority have a monthly income between 5,001 and 10,000 yuan. Students represent the largest occupational group. Respondents are mainly from Tier 1 cities. All participants have experienced purchasing group food. Reliability analysis. Chromebox alpha or both. 0.7 indicating acceptable reliability. Chromebox alpha E values range from 0.853 to 0.895, while composite reliability values ranging from 0.852 to 0.895. All values exceed 0.85, indicating good internal consistency and high measurement reliability. Validity analysis. The study confirmed the measurement model validity through multiple tests, KMO 0.911, and the Bartlett's test showed data suitability P less 0.001. EFA extracted 6 factors explain 74.6% variance with strong loadings and no cross-loadings. CFA indicated good convergent validity, AVE greater 0.5, CR greater 0.85, and discriminate validity via Follen-Lacker criterion. Phase ETEs. CFI equal 0.945, TLI equal 0.936, RMSEA equal 0.058, SRMR equal 0.055. Demonstrated a good model fit, supporting its reliability for failure analysis. Correlation analysis. Pearson correlation analysis P less 0.001 shows all variables are significantly and positively correlated. For example, customer perceived value is positively correlated with green purchase intention, R equal 0.497, supporting the hypothesize relationships. Multicollinearity diagnostics. The YIF values for GA 1.354, EA 1.341, PA 1.367, SM 1.375, and CPV 1.712 are all well below the threshold of 5, with tolerance levels above 0.5, indicating no serious multicollinearity correlation are acceptable, confirming model stability and suitability for regression and mediation analysis. Regression and mediation effect tests. 4 independent variables significantly and positively affect customer perceived value. R squared equal 0.416, beta equal 0.1602 to 0.299, P less 0.001. Additionally, customer perceived value is significantly predicts green purchase intention. R squared equal 0.247, beta equal 0.497, P less 0.001. All tested hypotheses H1 to H5 are supported, confirming the positive impact of these factors on green purchase intention. Bootstrap results show all 4 paths have significant mediation effect. 95% CI excludes zero, with customer perceived value partially mediating green advertising and product attributes, and fully mediating environmental attitude and social media influence, confirming hypothesis H6. Finally, let's move on to the conclusion. Theoretical contribution. This study extends the SOR model by introducing customer perceived value as a mediator in green purchase intention, providing a clear understanding of consumer psychology and marketing interactions. Management recommendations. Green food companies should enhance green advertising, strengthen consumer green identity, optimize product green attributes, and leverage social media to boost perceived value. Policymakers should improve green advertising regulations, promote environmental education, standardize product labeling, support green communication, increase economic incentives, and build green supply chains to foster sustainable consumption. Research limitations and future suggestions. This study has limitations in sample representativeness, self-report base, limited variables, and cross-sectional design. Future research should expand sample diversity, include more variables, use longitudinal or experimental methods, and explore mid-rating factors to improve understanding of green purchase intention. Thank you for listening.